Eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, added sugars, salt, and trans fats as much as possible. Drink enough water to stay hydrated and flush out toxins. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, or more if you exercise or live in a hot climate. Exercise regularly to keep your body fit and strong. Choose activities that you enjoy and that suit your fitness level. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise and 2 sessions of strength training per week. Get enough sleep to rest and recharge your mind and body. Try to stick to a regular sleep schedule and avoid caffeine, alcohol, nicotine, and screens before bedtime. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, or more if you need it. Manage your stress levels and practice relaxation techniques. Stress can affect your physical and mental health in many ways, so it's important to find healthy ways to cope with it. You can try meditation, yoga, breathing exercises, hobbies, music, or anything that makes you feel calm and happy. Stay connected with your friends and family and seek support when you need it. Social relationships are vital for our well-being and happiness. They can provide us with emotional support, practical help, advice, and companionship. Don't be afraid to reach out to your loved ones or professional help if you are feeling